Hello, geometry students. I hope you can hear me okay. I'm going to go over P8 a little bit because it feels like that's the one that people are having the most trouble. Unfortunately, the other videos, there's not enough, you can't see the numbers well enough on the boards, which is why I haven't posted them. So I'm going to just do these as the IXL lessons, and I'm just going to go over them quickly, and then show you how to do them a little bit. So here we go. P8 is the one that people seem to be having the most trouble with. All you're doing is trying to figure out how to get the smaller shape to move on to the larger shape and dilate so that you know that they're similar figures. So let me look at this one. I am trying to get it to dilate. Now, I can't ever get anything to dilate onto the point 0, 0. If it's the center of dilation, because to get it onto 0, I have to multiply by 0. So if I multiply by 0, all the points go to 0, 0, the origin instead. And I do not want that. So instead I'm going to move the shape. I'm going to move EFG over to E prime, F prime, G prime. But especially E prime, or E onto E prime, so that I can dilate right after that and just quickly show that they're similar. So to move E onto E prime, I need to move E, this point E, onto E prime by moving it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 points across, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points up. I just have to count how many to move it. Now, if I'm moving it up 5, I'm going to look down here and I'm going to type y plus 5. And to move it to the right, I'm going to move it x plus 9. So that should be the easy part. Another slightly easy part, but it's confusing some people, is the scale factor. So all I have to do is count how many units this side is. So this side is 5 units down and 1 unit across. Now this shape has, I don't even have to count because this is just the whole of the graph, and it's 10 units down, and I count over here, it's 2 units across. So 10 down, 2 across, and I say, if I multiplied 5 down, 1 across by 2, I would get this other shape. So all I have to do is put 2 into the scale factor, because really what's happening is 2x, 2y. And so that's making my smaller shape my larger shape, and so if I put 2 in for scale factor, I'm dilating EFG onto E prime, F prime, G prime after I'm moving E onto E prime. So, hit submit. You should be good. Awesome. Okay, now transform these two triangles. Same process. I figure out where D is so I can move it onto D prime. And moving it onto D prime is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units up and 5 units to the right. So, I'm going to do x plus 5 because that's 5 units to the right. And then y plus 6. Yes, it's 6 units. Y plus 6. Doesn't matter. I don't believe it matters whether you have it as capital or lowercase. So I'm just going to leave it capital. This DE segment is 2 units to the right, 2 units up. And then this one is 4 units to the right, 4 units up. So I know again that it's a scale factor of 2. I'll hit submit. And I'll move on. And I'll keep going. And I'll just keep doing the same thing, moving V onto V prime. This one is x plus 4, y plus 1, because all I did was move V up 1 and to the right 4, up 1 and to the right 4. And then my scale factor is just going to be, hey, look, this is up 1 across 2, and this is up 2 across 5. Is this right? No, 4, sorry, 4. And so all I do is say, oh, I'm multiplying both x and y directions by 2, it's a scale factor of 2. So I hope that helps. Send me a message on Remind if that's still not clear.